What's up guys, in this video, if you are a sports lover, you will definitely love this one. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Sorare. Link will be in the description of the video. If you are familiar with like fantasy football or fantasy Major League Baseball or MLB, fantasy NBA, then this is something that you really need to go ahead and check out. So you can be a manager of your own team. And the best part with this one is that you could also refer your friends. So this is Sorare's referral program, guys. All of this will be beneficial for you and your friend or the referral that you are able to invite. So the milestones and progressions as well are here. So you could go ahead and check out the bullet points here on how you could get those limited cards right here. So you each will win one Sorare football limited card. So on top of that, every milestone would also give you additional rewards. So for 3 valid referrals, you will win a limited tier 2. For 5 valid referrals, you will win a rare tier 4 and so on. You could even win as much as a unique tier 4 if you get 30 valid referrals. So you can go ahead and check out this page for more information on their referral program. Now, here is the how to play the game. So there is a 3-minute 50-second video that you could go ahead and check out. Let me show you quickly what it has. See? There you go. It's actually very straightforward and has everything that you need when you want to start. So that is a 3-minute 50-second video that you could go ahead and check out in their how to play page. The link to that will be in the description of the video, of course. The next one that I would also like to show you is that you can create your own private league. So you could invite your friends into the private league that you will be creating so that you could play with them privately, all right? So private league is an opportunity to compete against your friends based on the lineup you entered in the competition. So here are the step-by-step instructions on how you could create your private leagues. So again, guys, go ahead and check them out. Do your own research as well. But this is something that I am definitely sure that you guys will enjoy if you are a sports lover and you have tried fantasy gaming before. All right, so if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.